In this video, we are going to see how we can install the Sage 50 accounting latest version so that you can practice and follow along. So first of all, what you need to do is just head over to Google on your favorite browser and just search Sage 50 accounting student version, which is specially designed for students so that they can fully practice and get command over this software. So we will get this simple results. First of all, let's click on this first link, that is sage.com, about us, an education program. Let's click on it. And once we are in here, we need to register for the education program. Click on register. We will choose the version. So for this particular training, we are covering Sage 50, which is designed for small businesses. And it says, click below to register for the student version of the software you will use in your class. So once approved, you will get or receive your activation key code for the Sage 50 product. That's awesome. Select the version year your instructor has indicated will be used in the course. So that means by the time you're watching this video, you will get the latest version from their website. So double check that your email address is correct. It might take up to 48 hours to receive a response. So just consider that. And also you will get up to 14 months of valid registration. So this is great. Just click on register for student version. And we will simply fill in the simple details like our email address, our first name, last name, and the company. Click on next. You need to select your country, address, city, and all the other details. And after that, just click on I certify that I'll only use these resources for educational purposes. Click on register now. I filled in all of these details. After that, just click on I certified that I'll only use this resource for the educational purposes. Click on register now. And it says, thank you, we have received your request. You will receive an email from the Sage Education Partner team with more information. So let's close out of here and let's check the email. We have received an email here, which contains the software link and the activation code. Now I'm hiding this at the moment. That's because you need to follow and register your software and you will get the unique activation code for your PC. So let me just copy this one. And to get the Sage software, I'll just click on this particular link, which will take you back to this area. From here, we will click on download the software. Let me just make it full screen. Click on download software. Again, it will ask you that this is Sage 50 for educational purposes. This is the specifications. Click on this version right here button, and it will show you the download option just like this. And it shows unverified download blocked. So don't worry, because we are downloading it from the official website. We don't need to worry about anything. So click on download unverified file and it will immediately start the downloading process. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. So it's only of 456 MB. Let's open this. It might show you this message. So we have to wait for a while because it plays the setup automatically after downloading. So we just have to wait. After that, it will show you this screen. Click on run. It will show you where the files will be extracted for the setup. So just keep it default and click on install. I've already installed that earlier as well. So I'll just overwrite that files. Click yes. And now it shows us the welcome screen to install Sage Line 50. But before we begin, it's recommended that we turn off the antivirus software during the installation process so that it doesn't disturb the software installation. Let me just quickly do that. Now I'm using Avast one. So just right click on that, Avast Shield. And I'll just click on disable until the computer is restarted. Click OK. This is the external software. But what you can do is go to the start menu and right here, Windows Security. You can go to this virus and threat protection option, Microsoft Defender antivirus options. And basically you need to turn off the Defender. We also need to go to the start menu again and right here, Windows Defender Firewall, which will take you to this particular section. Just go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Just make sure you turn off both of them, and that's how you do it. So if you are facing the problem in disabling the Windows Defender, you can just search it on Google and you will find the easy way of doing this. So anyways, after turning off all the antivirus and defenders, let's continue with the installation. Click on next and I agree. Click next. And now it says to ensure that the Sage 50 installs and runs correctly, turn on the firewall software. When prompt, allow or unblock Sage 50. That means that firewall should now be turned on, and when it asks you to unblock Sage, we will allow it. So let's write again Windows Defender Firewall. Just go in here and let's turn back on both of them. Click OK. And now let's continue with the installation. Click next. And here it will ask you for the serial number. We just have to paste the one we received in the email for the student version. I'll just paste it right here. Click next. And it says, how do you want to use it? Are you a single computer or a network? Will this be the only computer you're using for Sageline 50? Yes, I'll keep it to yes. Click next. And it has some default installation options. Just make sure to keep it as default because I prefer it that way. You can choose some other location if you like to. And after that, just continue with the installation. Now it might take some time, so just sit back and relax while it installs the software. After the installation is complete, we will see this completion confirmation and we can start the Sage 50 accounting software right now and click on finish. And here is the main interface where we can work on any existing company. We can connect to the shared company and we can create a new company as well. We also have the option to explore some of the sample companies that Sage offers by default so that you can practice different functions on the sample company with the sample data. So this is how you can install the software. Just try it by yourself and then I'll see you in the next one where we will create a new company.